Welcome back, guys. New another episode ASMR video. This girl is. Oh, this is so dangerous. But still, eye is damaged. This eye is cleaning now. Start ASMR video. Press the eye and pin down. Collection. And remove a eye lens. Another eye lens remove. Apply eye drops left and right both sides. Still now, slowly eyes recover. Apply a tube. Claim a 70 rupees. Remove eyeliner both side. Apply eye skill gel. Clean makeup. Purchase a dress, yellow color dress. And, and complete a round. Start around 2. Round 2 start now. Remove dirt. Cuts a hair. So satisfying, so very satisfying. Ultra satisfying video for this game. Yeah, please comment for this game is satisfying. Cuts a beard. Mooch. Apply a shaving foam. Apply a razor. Clean a skin. Collect a money. Apply a Vaseline. Shining skin. Remove a wax. Apply a nose hair. Cut a nose hair. And apply a mask, black mask. Remove a black mask. Apply a gray Vaseline. Clean a face. Collect a picture before and after. Start round 3. Collect a money. Oh, girl is so painfully. Tap a apply a wax. Remove wax. Collect a money. Apply a needle. Pop a pimples. Clean a pimples flute. Apply tube. Rub a tube cream. Rubs. This is satisfying video. Please like, subscribe and follow. Press a skin. Apply our tools. remove a dirty bacteria, clean a fruit, apply a cotton, clean a side, apply a jewelry. This is so hot. Before and after. Thank you for watching.